first nice day of spring in Toronto today. I don't know, it's early April. Super nice outside. Decided to go for a walk. Just walking through the Canary District and over to the Distillery District and all the other new districts of, I don't know, heritage things that have been revamped. I was hoping for more sun, but, you know, whatever. So this is Underpass Park. It's literally a park underneath a bunch of highway off-ramps. What used to be old school raised roads. It used to be an industrial wasteland. There was really nothing here. And now it's a pretty neat little park. There's a skate park. There's a bunch of kids stuff. Reclaimed a whole bunch of land that never used to be usable. Literally turned garbage land into something really interesting. So I'm at Corktown Common, which is a pretty new park here, literally in the middle of the biggest city in Canada, and you wouldn't believe it. It's sort of like a nature preserve. It was part of the Pan Am Games build out new neighborhood stuff that they built when the Pan Am Games were here a couple years ago, and it's basically reclaimed industrial land that now houses marshes and parkland and little rivers and streams, and it's totally naturalized. The neat thing is it also provides flood protection from the Don, which kind of floods once in a while, and it can be pretty gnarly. But it's sort of an oasis in the middle of a city, and you literally are a few hundred meters away from two huge highways, and you would never know it. I've lived here 12-ish years in this neighborhood, east end of Toronto, by the Don River, and I can't believe how different it is from when we moved in. All of this area was nothing. It was industrial wasteland, forgotten buildings. There really wasn't any culture. No one was living here, and it was basically left for dead. And within about 10 years, it's completely changed to be pretty vibrant, especially the Distillery District. I say give it another 4 or 5 years and it'll be night and day different, way more alive than it ever was. So it's pretty neat being able to live walking distance to one of the newest neighborhoods in Toronto that has a ton of potential, and it's really neat to see cool stuff like this happen. All these buildings behind me were pretty much built for the Pan Am Games back in 2015, so all these used to be the athlete village.